Welcome to qnawire.
Using a law of conservation of energy, we can write kinetic energy A plus potential energy A is equal to KB after. So this is for A for after. Before kinetic energy plus potential energy before, where UA is equal to 0. Substituting this UA to be 0 in, let's say, this equation number 1, we get Ka to be 1 over 2 mvb squared plus k q1 q2 divided by ri, and this we call it equation number 2. So we have two unknowns in equation number 2, that is r and vb. We use a law of conservation of momentum to get that. So momentum after collision, a is equal to momentum before. So let's call this equation number 3. We substitute equation number 3 to get mva times b is equal to mvb times ri. From here we can write va bi divided by ri is equal to vb. We call this equation number 4. From 3 and 2 we get ka is equal to 1 over 2 mvb squared plus k q1 q2 divided by ri. Then we substitute the value for the vb that we obtain in equation 4. Then our kinetic energy after will be 1 over 2 m times VAB divided by RI square plus K Q1 Q2 divided by RI. Further simplifying this, we get K A B over RI whole square plus K Q1 Q2 divided by RI. We call this equation number 5. Substitute in equation number 5 to get the quadratic equation for R. So Ka Ri square minus K Q1 Q2 Ri minus Ka Bi square is equal to 0. We call this equation number 6. Now let's get R1 at B1. So we can get that R1 by substituting a B1. That is 1.76 times 10 to the power minus 12 R1 square minus 3.78 times 10 to the power minus 26 times R1 minus 1.76 times 10 to the power minus 12 times 1 times 10 to the power minus 12 square is equal to 0. From here we find R1 to be 1.01 times 10 to the power minus 12 meter. Now to get R2 at B is it B2, we substitute the value 1.76 times 10 to the power minus 12 R2 square minus 3.78 times 10 to the power minus 26 R2 minus 1.76 times 10 to the power minus 12 times 1 times 10 to the power minus 13 whole square is equal to 0. From here we get R2. So our R2 will become 1.1. R2 is 1.11 times 10 to the power minus 13 meter. Now let's get R3 sorry, at B3. This will be 1.76 times 10 to the power minus 12 R3 square minus 3.78 times 10 to the power minus 26 R3 minus 1.76 times 10 to the power minus 12 times 1 times 10 to the power minus 14 square is equal to 0. From here R3 will be 2.54 times 10 to the power minus 14 meter.